my English journey now. I start from where I am. I learn a little every day. I do the best I can. I take my time, I walk along. My English journey feels so calm.
I learn new words, both small and clear. I hear them every day. Some are easy, some are new, but I keep going anyway. Each small step is part of me on my English journey.
I don't rush, I don't compare. I follow my own way.
Every word I learn today helps me grow and stay.
This is my English journey, step by step, day by day. I listen, read, and speak with care along the way. This is my English journey. I'm learning in my own way. I hear English in my life, and simple things I do. At home, at work, and when I rest, English feels close and true. Short sentences help me speak, even when I feel weak.
Some days slow, some days clear. Every step still counts. Mistakes help me learn again. That's what learning's about. I stay kind to who I am on my English journey path.
I accept the pace I choose. I don't worry if I lose.
A word or two along the way, I learn again another day.
This is my English journey, step by step, day by day. I listen, read, and speak with care along the way. This is my English journey. I'm learning in my own way. Every learner has a road with light steps and heavy loads. I keep walking calm and true. English grows as I do. I practice English bit by bit. Daily habits help me stay. I review what I already know and learn something new each day. The journey feels slow but real. English is what I feel.
Now I feel relaxed and proud. I see how far I've come. I don't need to reach the end. The journey has begun. I remind myself each day, this is my English journey. This is my English journey, step by step, day by day. I listen, read, and speak with care along the way. This is my English journey. I'm learning in my own way. My English journey, calm and true.
With simple words and things I